success ng love team niyo sa Forevermore, what would you say is the kind of love team that works? Paano palagay mo naging successful tong love team na ito? What is in this love team na ano ng imagination ng TV viewers sa analysis mo, direct? And then from your
For me, I think this worked because they have a natural chemistry. Hindi mo mapepeke yung chemistry eh. Pag pinipare mo yung isang tao sa isang tao, tapos alam mong sumo-showbiz lang, gets mo kaagad eh, lumalabas on screen. But sila, kahit naman nakita naman yun sa She's the One, and then lumabas pa nung sa Chris TV, I think may umamin na crush na yung isa. But kahit doon pa lang, alam mo na natural yung chemistry nila, lumalabas on screen. So hindi napepeke. So I guess yun yung nag-work sa kanila. At the same time, they're really good actors. Promise. Pala'y marating dalawang to.
Any comment, Enrique and Lisa, about
Sa akin naman po, noong una, syempre natakot kami, tsaka na-pressure kami. Kasi syempre, si Direk Cathy, yung time slot, yung laki ng movie, ng teleserye. Tapos, first actual team up namin na sa Love Team. So, nung nag-taping kami, parang wala kaming alam sa lahat kasi nasa bundok kami sa Baguio eh. So, ang layo namin sa lahat. So, hindi namin alam kung anong reaction ng tao. So, sabi lang namin, basta enjoy lang tayo. So, para kaming naging pamilya doon. Kasi kami lang doon sa bundok, wala kaming ibang kasama. So, siguro dahil kami lang doon, wala kang CR na maayos eh. So, feeling ko dahil sa bonding na yun, na kami lang, doon kami naging close, naging, kayo lang magkasama eh. So, everybody got to know each other more. Mas naging, parang totoong pamilya, yung La Presa family. So, siguro, yung truthfulness, dahil sa situation na yun, na feel ng tao, siguro. And, sinabi na namin, basta mag-enjoy lang tayo. Kung basta tayo nag-enjoy, syempre nanonood, mag-enjoy din. So, yun lang. Hindi siguro. Nag-enjoy sila.
Oh, what about you, Lisa?
Yun, like Enrique said, parang feeling ko naramdaman ng tao yung sincerity. Kasi being on the mountain together, na kami-kami lang, syempre, wala kaming makakausap na ibang tao. So, we all had to get along and get to know each other. And all we wanted in the beginning was just to have a great show, to be happy. And that's what the Forevermore set was. We were always happy. And we were just enjoying what we were doing. And the people felt that. The people felt the happiness of the show and the lightness. And siguro also bonding in Baguio, mas naging close kami. So when we act, when we do our scenes, we're very comfortable with each other.
Oh, yung mga comment na ibang tao parang kumpara dati, parang sinasabi, parang may something. Yun lagi yung sinasabi kumpara sa mga iba like previous. So yun siguro. That's a special bond na yun. Sinasabi niya, parang may something. So, yung something na yun, siguro nagkano sa kanila.
Yeah, thank you. Isang question na lang kay Lisa.
Liza.
Liza, sorry. Outside ng love team, at saka outside the movie roles, what do you look for in a man in general?
Si Superman.
Actually, wala po kasi talaga akong parang ideal guy. Wala talaga. Parang, because I don't want to expect, because I don't want those expectations to be ruined also. So, kasi love, you can never tell. You can never tell when it comes. You can never tell who it will be. So, I'm just going with the flow, whatever happens.
Yeah, thank you.
Galing talaga sumagot ni Liza, parang si OG lang talaga.
Liza, may tanong ako kay Liza. Liza, sa mga sa mga love scenes mo, sa mga parang yung mga eksena nyo ngayon, may love angle dito, anong humingi ka ng advice sa manager mo?
Sa love
Experience yun eh.
experience kay Tito OG.